Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your emo to a friend or invite a friend on your emo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To share emo to a friend or invite a friend on your emo's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your emo application on your device. The home page of emo will be displayed on the screen. Tap on human icon at the top left corner of the page. You will end up on the profile section of your emo's account. Click on Share Emo option. Choose a medium through which you would like to share your emo and tap on it. Choose a contact and share your emo's account. That's how you'll be able to share your emo to a friend or invite a friend on your emo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.